This two-door, two-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.